today we are at Pisgah National Forest. We're going to be going to the John Rock. That's what the name of it is. And I think it's about a 6-mile hike. Shouldn't be too bad. And let's go. We had a bunch of flooding going on. It took out the bridge we were to go on, so we got some kind of detour going on. Levi said, which way are we going?
So, right here, all this red is the trail that what used to be the trail, and now the flooding got rid of that part, so we had to go on this green dotted detour. So we had to go back over that way.
So yeah, so we would be going on the red, but now we're going on the green.
Okay.
Alright, we're on the detour trail, which goes like right along the side of it on the map is what it looks like. Basically just kind of like slightly shorter. It's not bad, it's just a gravel road. So, hanging out. They're back there somewhere. Alright, we stopped, hang out for a minute. He's getting pretty sweaty, he's hot. We're all getting kind of hot.
My back's sweaty.
It's getting there, yeah. But, stop by a stream. Alright guys, we made it to the top, ate some snacks, heading down. Levi showed me how far we are, and we got a pretty good hike going. So I'm not excited, but we'll make it there.
Here? Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah.
Me and Levi found this really cool waterfall. I'm going to show it to you. Good way to end off the video. We're in a cave. Look at this. It's crazy.
Is it sick?
Yeah. Over here, check it out.
Cool cave. Oh, there's like water over there.
Yeah. Oh, it's got a little waterfall going on over here. Check it out.
So we found the cave. It was pretty far.
That's
back.
cool. Don't fall.
Try not to. Waterfall.
Sit down. This is how real men do it with lights, Ern. Got my phone going on.
It's like run and draw off that.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Whoo! Almost fell. I almost fell.